Hey there, content creators! Ever wondered how to make money with AI-generated videos? Today I'll walk you through the steps to get started. Let's dive in. First up, there are loads of options out there like Runway ML, Synthesia, HeyGen, Pika Labs, Kyber, CapCut, and DeepBrain AI. Pick one that fits the type of content you want to create. Next, choose a niche with high demand. Think YouTube automation, AI storytelling, business content, educational videos, or social media content like Instagram Reels and TikTok. On to. Use your chosen AI tool to generate video footage, animations, or avatars. Add voiceovers, subtitles, and some catchy music. Keep it short, under 5 minutes works best. Now, first, YouTube monetization. Get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program. Earn from ads, memberships, and super chats. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote products and add affiliate links in your descriptions. Offer AI video services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or teach others by selling courses on Udemy or Teachable. You can even sell AI-generated content as stock footage. Don't forget Patreon and memberships for exclusive content. Use SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Share on social media and collaborate with influencers. Run ads to boost your visibility. Finally, automate video creation with AI tools. Outsource editing and promotion. Look for sponsorships and brand deals as you grow. AI video creation is booming with potential. Whether it's YouTube, services, or affiliate marketing, there's a way for everyone to earn. Remember, consistency, quality, and promotion are key. Need help choosing the best AI tool for your needs? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.